Let's start today's class. In previous class, I taught you the introductory classes of adjectives. Now, you have to learn how to use adjectives. Friends, I would like to focus you here. We always pronunciate it adjective. That is wrong. We have to pronunciate it adjective. Adjective. I'm also habituated to pronounce wrongly to this word, so sorry to this. Adjective, we have to pronounce it. I hope you understand it. Friends, I would like to focus on very important point. The very important point is that you continuously watch my videos, but I think you are not 100% benefited to my video. If you want to get 100% benefit, you just go through test series. I hope you all are not ready to appear in your test. So I request you to appear in your test regularly. If you are appear at the test, I will check your progress and you will check your progress yourself, that what is your capability or what is your capabilities. So I hope in your continuous video you will be ready for your test. So let's start. Today's topic is usage of some important adjectives. Here there are two words here. First word is some, another word is any. What we see here? See the heading of it, differences between some and any. In Hindi, both are equal. In Hindi, as far as the meaning of some and any are concerned, both have the same meaning. Koi, kuch or thoda. But they are very different in uses. See here, both have same meaning in Hindi, but they are quite different in uses. What are the differences? Look here. Some is used in affirmative and interrogative sentences. So far as some is concerned, you careful. Affirmative. What do you mean by affirmative? So we have to talk about sentences. Sentences have categorized in two ways. First is on the base of a structure. On the base of a structure, it has 5 kinds. And on the base of pattern, it has 3 kinds. You have to talk on the base of a structure. On the base of a structure, sentences have 5 kinds. Assertive, interrogative, third one is imperative, fourth number objective, fifth number is exclamatory. On the base of pattern, we have 3 kinds. These are simple, second one is compound, and the last third one is complex. This is your revision only. But here we have to talk about assertive. Assertive has 2 kinds. Affirmative, it is called also positive, and another one is negative sentences. So this is the affirmative. We have to talk about affirmative sentences. So far as some is concerned, it is used for affirmative. Affirmative means it has been originated from affirm. Affirm. Suppose I say I am happy. We affirm this, means we accept it. If I'll tell it I am not happy, this represents the negative meaning. So we have to use such type of sentences with some. Now I'll take the example. Come to the point here. Some is used in affirmative and interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences is asking question. Asking questions. This is the two conditions where we have to use some. Whereas any is used in negative and interrogative sentences. It is not used in positive, means in affirmative sentences, but in interrogative sentences we use interrogative sentences. Now another point is both can be used for countable and uncountable nouns. Some plus noun. Some, after some we have to use noun. If noun is, this is the condition here, if noun is countable, verb will be plural. This is the condition. Now once again repeat this line. If countable nouns are used, verb will be plural and noun also be plural always. You care for this. After some, if there is countable noun, nouns will be plural always. As for example, if I'll tell some boy, this is wrong because boy is a countable noun. So we have to use some boys. Clear? Now, and if uncountable nouns are used, verb will be always singular. If I will tell some money, this is uncountable noun. With it, we have to always use singular noun. Example, I have some book. This is wrong because this is countable noun. Correction will be I have some books. This is correct. Some books has been purchased. This is wrong because some books, here we use plural form of subject and I've used here has. That is wrong. Wrong. Some books have been purchased means when we use some, nouns will be plural and verb will also be plural. Two conditions will be applied here. Noun will be plural and verb will be plural. Remember, some is always used for affirmative and interrogative sentences. In negative, it can't be used. We cannot use some in negative sentences. Clear? Have you some money in your pocket? Have you some books of mathematics? This is 100% correct. Come to the point. Differences between some and any. Any is used with singular countable noun in negative and interrogative sentences. Now see the condition here. I don't have some problem to live with you in this room. This is wrong because this sentence is negative. And in negative sentence, I don't have to use some. Instead of some, we have to use any. I don't have any problem to live with you in this room. This is correct. Do you have any thoughts to walk in this dark way to walk at night? This is interrogative sentence and any is correct. This is true. He has not given me any trouble yet. This is also correct. There is not some ink in this bottle. This is wrong. Once again, I have repeated that. Same mistake. There is not any ink in this bottle. This is also correct. Now another condition is any is not used after no. Now see here, any is not used after no. If we have used no, any will not be used. It is used with not, means not plus any. You will care for this. Not plus any is correct. No plus any is wrong. I have not any money. This is correct. I have no any money. This is wrong. I have no money. This is true. This is also true. You will care for this. If this is the matter of using any, you have to use not. If there is no any, no money, this is also correct. I have no any friend. This is wrong because no any. No any is wrong. I have not any friend. This is correct. Now I understand you might have understood the today's class. Friends, I hope you will be appear at the coming second test. Do your test regularly. Without test, you cannot be success. You cannot be successful, and you cannot get success properly. So I hope you understand what I mean to say. So this is today's class. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.